Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video we are going to do a hair mask, and I am just going to include 3 to 4 ingredients in my hair mask which you can easily find in your kitchen. Now this hair mask might or might not work for you, so you can always patch try the products on your hair on one side to see if it really works for your hair, if there's any kind of hair loss, if there's any kind of itch that these products give you. So if these ingredients have worked for your patch area, it definitely would work for your hair, so you can go ahead and try it on all of your hair. So there are 3 main ingredients in this DIY hair mask. First is an egg. You need a 1 whole egg to do this. Second is a medium sized onion. Now onion is really good for your hair, which is why I included it. And third is your aloe vera. Let's talk about the benefits of these 3 ingredients that I just mentioned. So as of egg is high in protein, which is why it supports your hair growth, it increases the elasticity of your hair, it reduces the hair fall, and it makes your hair texture really good, which is why you should always include eggs in your diet and your hair care routine. So as far as onion juice is concerned, onion is meant to moisturize and revitalize your dry hair. So since I have very dry hair right now, it is going to be a win-win situation for me. And apart from that, it also helps you treat dry and itchy scalp. Now I don't have an itchy scalp, but I definitely do have a dry scalp, which is why I'm going to include it in my DIY mask. Also, it helps you reverse the graying of your hair. Now as you can see, there's some amount of hair in this section of my scalp that is graying, so I would really be benefited if I use onion juice in my hair mask. Now lastly, we have aloe vera gel. So now I'm going to use an aloe vera leaf for this. Now aloe vera basically contains vitamin A, C and E, and it kind of repairs your hair strands, so it is really beneficial for your hair. For some people it might be not beneficial, they might be allergic to it. As for me, I am allergic. If I use aloe vera on my skin, I usually get a lot of pimples, painful pimples if I use aloe vera on my face, which is why I do not use it on my face and body, but it definitely works out for my hair, which is why I include it in my hair care routine.
Take 1 medium sized onion and a whole egg with a big aloe vera leaf. Cut the onion and aloe vera leaf, grind it all together and sieve, and this is what the mixture looks like.
Once my mixture is ready, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sarson ka tel in this. Now you can add any oil of your choice, or you can also add honey in this because honey also moisturizes your hair. So I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil to actually moisturize and deep condition my hair. And I am just going to start applying this mixture onto my scalp directly with the help of my fingers. Guys, here's a quick tip for you. Before you go in and apply the mask on your hair, please do change your clothes and wear something that's old, because this has a very ruddy consistency and it is going to fall on your t-shirt or your lower. So I highly recommend wearing something that's old and you just need to throw, or you do not to wear outside. Something of that sort, or you can always tie a towel around your neck. Now I'm going to start applying the mask on my scalp. So I am going to do this section by section. So what you can do is you can actually make sections in your hair and apply it on your scalp. Once all of your scalp is covered, you can apply the rest on your hair. It actually helps. So it is going to actually run all through the time that you keep it on your hair. So I keep this mask for around good 1 to 2 hours, and then I wash my hair and condition my hair, and it quite nourishes my hair after I keep it for 1 to 2 hours. If I wash my hair in half an hour, it would not do anything for my hair, which is why I keep it for a longer duration of time. But you can always go ahead and do it according to your time constraint. You can always use a brush to do this. I am just more comfortable doing it with hands, so I am going to apply it in my sections, part my hair, apply it in sections and massage it really well on the scalp. So that's how you do it and cover whole of your hair. So I'm just going to do it off camera and show it to you how it looks. So I'm done applying the mask, and as you can see, it's already running through my hair. So yeah, I told you it is going to run through your hair. It does, it really does. So I'm going to keep this for good 2 hours and then wash my hair with my normal shampoo and conditioner, and then show it to you guys how does my hair look and feel. So you guys, this is how my hair looks post hair wash, and I am just going to let my hair air dry because I don't like blow drying as such. And I just quickly wanted to mention the products that I used for hair wash. So first product is this Himalaya Hair Fall shampoo. I am in love with this shampoo. Been using this for quite a long time. This retails for 130 bucks and comes around 200 ml. So for my hair it lasts me for more than I think 2 to 3 months. And second product that I use is this Wow Skincare Argan Oil Hair Conditioner, and this retails for 289 rupees for 150 ml of product. This is really nice. Like it does give me a little bit of hair fall, but if in case I want to refresh my hair, I go ahead and try this. And the third product that I use is this HDI Experts Hair Serum. Now this retails for 115 rupees. On Nykaa you might get this on discount as well. This is a very affordable option. If you have a frizzy hair just like me, you can use this to tame down the frizz. This is really good. So that is it for the today's video, you guys. One quick tip that I wanted to give for my vegetarian friends out there: you can totally skip on the egg and use vitamin E tablets. You can use 1 to 2 tablets and it will just work fine with your hair, because vitamin E is very helpful to grow your hair and make it healthy. So that is it for today's video. I'll see you guys in next video. Bye bye.